What's going on YouTube? Modeling Nut back at you with another birdcage update. Uh, Today, mainly just got the interior color painted. I know it doesn't look like it, but underneath the gray, I do have the interior green on the canopy. And then also went ahead, retouched up the back edge here, and then sprayed it over the center section right through there for the glass. And then came back in with a little bit of Tamiya XF19 that I was spraying for another like little mini project I'm just doing on the side. And just to kind of do a quick seam check. So as you can see, seams look pretty good on the bottom. Top came out absolutely amazing. If I can get it to lock in well. Sorry about that. Let's see. And let's try down there. That looks a little better. So the top seam pretty much invisible. Was kind of scared about the join here for the outer wing to the inner wing. That really came out a lot better than I anticipated. So much better than I anticipated. So actually what I found was I'll need to come back in on this side, as I pretty much sanded that out and filled that out. So I'll have to come back for that. At this point, it's going to be starting the mask job, specifically with the gear bays, and also trying to mask this area up here. Probably won't come out perfect. I might have to come back in with a brush and just kind of retouch in the green. Mostly won't be seen, that's why I'm not even worried about the joins. When you get the flaps in, you're not going to see much of anything in there. But I do want to have the color just so that, if you can lightly see it, it's there. Once I have all those masked up, we can go ahead and start getting the main colors down, starting with the white, and then we'll go to the intermediate blue, and then the dark sea blue on top. So just kind of got it set in here in the box to let that paint get dried up and cure for a couple of days. And so just go ahead and show this. This is the side project I'm working on. It is a 1/200 scale C47 from Hasegawa. So went ahead and drilled a hole in the bottom for the display base. And so that is, like I said, just a side project I'm doing on my own. Not really doing any sort of video. That's not really a big enough project to do anything with. So, well, hope you guys have enjoyed the kind of rapid fire of videos here. Just kind of got some stuff uploaded and never got the chance to get it fully posted live, but you're pretty much up to date as to where I'm at so far. So hope you guys have been enjoying this series. Again, if you have any questions, comments, definitely post down below. If you have any questions on the tools that I use, anything like that, definitely post below, and I'll answer to the best of my abilities. Catch you guys later.